Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts for a more traditional viewing experience. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your YouTube. Go to your account. Press on Settings. Click on General. Here you can see the option of playback in feeds. Click on this. So now, if you want to disable YouTube Shorts for a more traditional viewing experience, you just have to press your off option. That's it. So this is how to disable YouTube Shorts for a more traditional viewing experience. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.